Guys, welcome back to my channel, Kiki King, and today's video is gonna be another review on this product that I ordered that I seen through other YouTubers that they said it's pretty good. It's the Swag. I already unboxed it, but it's the Swag King Premium Shoe Care. I would be needing this when I do get my my Belugas 2.0 in the mail. So Swag King does sell each of the items individual, like the brush, the cloth, and the cleaning solution. They do sell it on there for individual, unless you want to get the package one, which is a good deal. So what's in the package? So in the package, it does include your microfiber cloth. This is what you'll be using to clean off that cleaning solution off the shoes. So this is what you get. Has a Swag King logo right there, and then you do get the brush. So this is actually a good brush. It's not like hard or anything, but it's actually a good brush. So this is what you get with it. Has the Swag King symbol on there, and then finally you get your solution. So you want to shake this before it has some little ingredients there. Has their like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube channel. And it does show you like directions and stuff. So this is actually a good product. So I will be showing you guys a clip of me cleaning my Adidas, my EQT, this ones, and the other ones, this one, the white one, the cloud foam ones. I got this from Kohl's. Yeah, Adidas. So I'll be showing like a clip of that. actually turned out really good, and I like the product overall. So Swag Kings, 2 thumbs up for you. And I will be ordering more of your products from Swag King. So that's today's video. I'll catch me guys on my next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.